All right, let us start with the gold. Let us start top-down analysis with the gold. Make sure you hit subscribe button. Okay, that is weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, you can see here gold reacted on that volume balance and it crossed with the rejection. So now we are in distribution move to that previous high. Okay. On daily time frame, you can see Friday candle closed bullish also. It is very, very strong bullish. You can see on 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame of market structure like this. We have market structure like this on 4-hour time frame. Previously, from Monday to Wednesday, we experienced a huge accumulation. You can see huge accumulation. On Thursday, price manipulates that accumulation, so expect it. Now we are in distribution move to upwards, okay? So we have to find buys more than sells, but here on for her, we have that for her supply, but it has low probability because it located on this consolidation that is liquid, so it has low probability of price reaction. So I did is to wait one thing here. If it will provide or it will give us confirmation, we will sell, but it has low probability. We're supposed to wait price to break this previous high, and then we can wait retest and then we can continue. So let's mark this previous high here. Then we can wait break of that previous high, and then from there we can wait to retest on either FVG or any point of interest which will be available. Then you can get in for a long position because weekly bias is bullish and daily bias is bullish, and you can see the market phase. Now we are in distribution phase. After that, accumulation and manipulation. You can see that is our accumulation previously, and then that is manipulation. So now we are in distribution move. So we have to find buys more than short position. So weekly target is on that previous highs. So when price will shift from that area, we will test and then we can buy from there. Can target this previous high for the six. It is 5603. 5603, that price level. So that is my view on gold. Very, very clear. We can see another pair here, US 30. US 30, that US 30, we can start with the daily time frame. On daily time frame, US 30, we have market structure like this. You can see this is demand zone and price reacted on that demand zone. You can see mitigation of that demand zone. Last candle, last Friday candle closed the bearish with the manipulation. It closed the inside previous one, Thursday candle. So it created a good CRT model here. You can see there is very beautiful CRT model here. So for next week, we expect it to take a long position from that area to that CRT high. So we can shift it to lower time frame if we can find a better entry point, where you can find a better entry point on lower time frame on 15 minutes. Okay. On 1 hour, on 2 hour, 1 hour, so you can see that rejection. So it indicates bullish continuation. So on Monday, expect it to buy US 30. On Monday, expect it to buy US 30 from that demand. We can stop, let us put a stop on below that demand zone, and then taking profits to be 1:1. We can use extension tool to get another taking profit area here. When you use extension tool, you can recognize another extension level. It will be on that area. So when you buy from that area, our target will be on that area, 51.73, 8.6, that price level. It is very, very good. Beautiful daily T. It has high probability of persuasion on that area. Okay, so it is very, very clear. We can see CAD JPY. CAD JPY here, that is CAD JPY. CAD JPY on daily time frame have very, very strong bullish move, but here you can see that a short pullback here, and over here we have this unmitigated demand zone, which contained this endorsement. So it has high probability of resurrection. That is endorsement. So price will drop to sweep that endorsement, and it will mitigate that daily demands. Then we can execute a buy with a confirmation. We'll target that double top. You can see that double top here. It is liquidity. We'll target that double top. So for next week, CAD JPY, we'll buy CAD JPY from that daily demands. Target that external liquidity over there. Another pair that we can see real quick, Euro USD. Euro USD, that is daily time frame, and you can see general structure, bullish, creation of highs and lows, and then pullback, and then now we are in extension move. So you can see price retested on that support level. After mitigation of that support level here, you can see that daily manipulation candle or engulfing. It was very, very well. It's not engulfing, that is manipulation. Manipulation candle closed after mitigation of that FVG. So it is very good reversal move, reversal pattern. Also here you can see mitigation of that fair value gap. And right now on the 10 frame, Euro USD is ranging on that within this fair value gap. Okay, so our duty is to find clear entry point where we can execute a long position, and then we'll target that swing high. Shift your time frame to 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame here, you have market structure. This very, very clear market structure. Okay, 4-hour time frame here, we have that liquidity grab. This one, this is liquidity grab. After that liquidity grab, you can see there is a shift here, market shift, formation of structure market shifting. After formation of that market structure shifting, you can see creation of that first pullback is endorsement. So here you have that endorsement. That is endorsement. It is liquidity. After formation of that endorsement on 4-hour, we have that unmitigated what? Unmitigated demand zone. So for next week, expect just a pullback. It will pull back, and then we'll buy from that. We'll buy directly from that 4-hour demand, and then we'll target where? We will target this previous high. It is very good setup for next week. Okay, that is very, very good setup. When it will not retrace back to that demand, it means it will raise up. So we can wait, break your full structure to test, and then we can continue with upward trend continuation. But there is high probability of price to retrace back to that for our demand, and then you can execute a long position from that demand, and then it will be good, very, very good. GBP USD. What is going on GBP USD? That is GBP USD. Also, you can start with the daily time frame. On daily time frame here, you can see also it reacted on that support level. Very beautiful support level. Also here we have that daily fair value gap, and you can see that a wonderful candlestick. It is manipulation candle. It indicates what? Reversal pattern. So it indicates reversal pattern. So until now, bullish bias is bullish on daily time frame, and weekly time frame bias also is bullish. We can shift it to 4-hour to see further information. On 4-hour time frame, we have this market structure. Okay, it is very, very confusing market structure. He is impulsive, and then we experience that pullback after reaction from that supply. You can see price reacted on that 4-hour supply, and it regretted that just a little pullback. Okay, So expecting for next week here, we have this FVG unmitigated and price created this endorsement. We have that endorsement here. So price may sweep endorsement and it will drop to mitigate this for our FVG, and then we can buy from that endorsement, from that FVG. For our FVG, we will target that previous high. If price will not retrace back to that for our FVG, extreme zone, extreme discount zone, you can wait price to break this previous high. So when price will break that previous high, it will create a market shift, because here you can see there is break of structure. So when it will break this previous high, it will be very valid market shift. Then you can find buy from that. Wait to test, and then you can find buy after price we test on that area. Very, very clear. So you have two options: wait market shift or wait retracement to that for our FVG, then you can pick a buy. Better one is to wait retracement to that for our FVG, because it has low risky. It has low risky. Okay. So that is it. Let's see AUDUSD. AUDUSD here, we have that's for our breaker block and it created inducement. So expecting next week price will trace back to that for our breaker block, and then we can buy from that for our breaker block. Very, very clear. Very, very clear setup. Very, very clear setup for next week. So that is it. That is it for next week. For more entry, make sure you subscribe our channel. Subscribe our VIP. Monthly subscription is almost $20 for 1 month, 30 days. So if you join in the middle of month, you can start counting 30 days. 30 days. 30 days. Okay. Last week it took what setup? A lot of setup on community. Make sure you join our community, free trading community, and see you on next week.